Welcome to our video on dashboards and more specifically the commonly requested dashboards. So I want to just start this video by letting you know that within your dashboards you can assign them to groups. So for instance, I have a financial group and an operations group. So that is an option that you have. You could have one, say, for projects or whatever is most applicable to your company. So if I go into my dashboards then and I click into one, I see I have a permission section here too, where I have the ability to either allow or deny access by a user group or a specific user. So that's very handy to know as well. You may want to be denying access to some financial dashboards to particular users, or you may only want to be given permission to certain project managers, let's say, for their own particular dashboard. So these dashboards are fully customizable to the user. And let's just take a look then at our financial. We have a cash analysis, a controller, and a financial ratios view. And each one of these dashboards is going to be made up of a number of different components. So you have the option to add in reports, performance cards, custom navigation, different things like that. You can show graphs, charts, whatever makes the most sense to you. So this is what we would commonly see: cash analysis, controller, financial ratios. In your operations, you can have a dashboard for your particular modules that you're trying to track stuff on and pull in whatever makes the most sense to you. Project performance then is going to be a huge one for the construction industry. And that's going to pull in your performance cards to give you a snapshot of how everything is going, and then also pulling in reports that are built already in the system. And you can have, reports that are pulling in based off of project type, project manager, different things like that. And I also have one in here that we'll get to in a later video where it's specific to me and what I want to see when I log in. And you can actually set in your preferences that when you log into the system, your particular dashboard is going to be the first thing that you see. You also have the option to do workflow dashboards, which is just going to make your life easier. So let's say you have a particular workflow that you do. My best example would be payroll. So you would set up a workflow dashboard for your payroll that has custom navigation set up to tell you exactly where in the system you need to go. So rather than clicking around and having to try and remember where you have to go on the system to do stuff, you have your workflow dashboard set up. All you have to do is go to that and click into the particular links. So that's just going to be an overview of the dashboards that we are commonly asked for. And then we'll get into a later video of how you pull in those components, how you set it up, and what they actually look like. So thanks for your attention and stay tuned for some more.